Next episode of Foodie Adventures. Cinnamon's, a Hawaiian grill breakfast brunch spot right in the heart of Las Vegas.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Adventure fans, there's no food out here, but we are Foodie Adventures, so we have to go on an adventure and then it'll build the hunger for some food. Look how majestic those mountains look. We're right here in Las Vegas. We're at the Red Rock Canyon, overlooks the Mojave Desert. Very astonishing and very stoked to be here. Okay, I'm filming, but I don't remember the name of this place. Sunshine Coffee? Alright, I'm at Sunrise Coffee, and I'm trying butterbeer latte for the first time. I actually have a hot one. Yummy. And I have a cold one. Now keep in mind they were pretty sweet, so I had it with a little less of a sweetener. Which one should I try first? I'd say we'll try the iced one first. Yeah, it's definitely not too sweet. It tastes like a freaking dream. This is incredible. I would forget Starbucks. If they had this back in New Orleans or Houston, I'd go for it. Okay, that one gets the Foodie Adventure approval, okay? This is a good drink. Now, same drink but hot. Butterbeer latte. Madness. That was surprisingly different. A little more flavor and spice character, almost like a nutmeg cinnamon finish on top. This one is actually used with regular milk. We put coconut milk in this one. I like the way this finishes with the coconut milk. My girlfriend happens to know that the 2% milk blends a lot better with the hot coffee. And it foams better. And it's her birthday, so I have to listen to her anyways. Happy birthday, Jenny. I love you. And I love these, so you can't have any you want. Which one do you want?
Sarah, half of both.
Fine, we'll have half of both. We'll compromise. We're at Cinnamon's, a Hawaiian cafe in Las Vegas. We just had to try it. Alright, we got the Guava Loco plates with a nice potato mac and Portuguese sausage. Marinated Korean barbecue. That was tender, fatty, juicy, and melts in your mouth. And it's a real thin piece of the Galbi steak, but one bite in, it's already worth it. Nice little crispness to it. Sexy egg drippings. What a satisfying flavor explosion. You gotta be a damn fool not to try this. The full stack of the Guava Pancakes. Oh yeah. You ain't having fun if you ain't having a mess. It's like a guava cream on glace. Absolutely fucking amazing. We are entering food coma stage. Well, these guava pancake stacks have been nothing less than amazing. This is a new hour. We're going to call it Devour Hour. Bum, bum, bum. So guys, what's the best pancake you've ever had in your whole life? Leave it on the comments below. Remember, at Foodie Adventures, we're always trying new foods, trying the best of the best, and just awesome, interesting foodie type meals. So, all I know is all for one and one for all. What's this? Spam in a bill.
Be a man.
Be a man. I did my part. I'm gonna eat all of it. Alright, welcome Foodie Adventure fans. We're at the Venetian at my humble crib. Oh, it's locked. Welcome to my humble crib. This is how we live. We're set up here in the Venetian. As you can see, double line. I got my gold sink. King size bed. I don't think I'm moving. I'm feeling a little bit of a view. All open. Open sesame seeds. Oh my God, spectacular view. Foodie Adventures. Oh, they got a Harris here, the Mirage, Mandalay Bay. Red game's on point over here.
Right there for you. I am have to go grab a couple more things to set up. So I will be right back.
It's the bucatini pasta in the pecorino wheel. It's a beautiful pecorino boat right there. Added some fresh marinated grilled chicken.
I'm going to separate out the chicken first.
That's what I'm talking about. Immersing those bucatini.
And all that broken up right there.
Man, they show me shit.
Try not to take too much of it. There we go. So down at the bottom we got our pecorino toscano. If you've never had the pecorino toscano, this is going to be our sheep's cheese. Take a nice little chunk out of that right there for you.
Alright, we have the citrus ricotta cheesecake. Looks like we got a mandarin cream anglaise, raspberry. Looks like a raspberry reduction. Then you got your cheesecake panna cotta right there. You're gonna have the raspberries, mandarin oranges. Looks like edible gold leaf on top. See if it looks as good as it tastes, or it tastes as good as it looks. Only a professional.
Even though GRM every single show made a good review, the first
That was really good. So we found this like tiki island bar place that has Dole whip or Dole whip. Anyways, this looks astonishing and it tastes absolutely amazing. What a way to end the trip here in Vegas. This is so delicious. Let's get a close up of that. The Dole whip. I call this the Dole Miracle Whip. Because it's a miracle it comes in a whole pineapple and we'll be able to eat the crap out of this for at least 20-30 minutes.
Working hard to get my fill. Nobody wants to feel. Paying anything to roll the dice. Just one more time.
Yeah, 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 yeah. The song I record is for my girls and boys who chase dreams every day, making it every way. This song is I record is for my girls